All right, 2022 Ford Bronco Sport key fob. Let's show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so you have a button right here. We're gonna press and hold it down with a thumb, and then it releases the emergency key like that. With the emergency key taken out, that's gonna allow us to take this back panel off a little bit easier. We get this slot right here. All we have to do is pry it up. We can take it off just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing upside down. There's a little slot right here. You just get your screwdriver in here and just pry this battery out of here. It can be a little bit hard. Battery size is a CR2450, positive sign facing out towards us. With your new one, drop it in like that, lock it in. You need a battery, look down in the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get this battery for this remote, nice and cheap. Get the cover, put it in the top first, clicking on down, put the emergency key back in, and you're all done.